Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, The Crafty Closet. Today's project is going to be really fun because it's going to be something for the kids. For this project, you're going to need a sweater, black strip flock vinyl, blue glitter iron-on vinyl, and white iron-on vinyl. Also, your Cricut heat press. Want to know what we're making? Then you got to stick around. Okay, y'all, so you want to know what we're making? We are making a yes, a Cookie Monster sweatshirt for the kids. And this was a really fun project to do, so I thought I would share it with you guys. Now, I actually got the Cookie Monster face for free from a website called svgbomb. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record that part because I just can't record when I'm doing Google searches, but I will link it in the description below where to get this Cookie Monster SVG face from for free. So as always, I already have this pre-done, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So we're going to go to our design space, and here it is. I'm going to upload. It's already uploaded, so I'm just going to add Cookie's face to my canvas. Now, when it downloaded, for some reason, it downloaded a double smiley face in the blue, but it really wasn't double. So for some reason, it just picked it up as two faces. So if you see that, it might get a little confusing, but don't worry. You'll be able to just hide the one face that you don't want. So now, as you can see, it's already, this is a layer project. I've showed you guys a few videos on how to layer. It's the same concept. Now, because we're using three different colors, our black is going to be our Caesar flock vinyl. Excuse me, Caesar flock vinyl. Remember, Caesar flock vinyl is a really smooth velvet type of iron-on. It feels really great. Once you guys use it, you'll want to use it again. So our bottom layer is the Caesar. Our second layer, our blue layer, is going to be our glitter vinyl. And then our white layer, well, Cookie's eyes are going to be white. So you guys know I like to change the colors to get as close to the color that I have as possible. So I was just playing around with the colors to see how close I could get to Cookie's blue color for the glitter iron-on vinyl. I played around with it a couple of times, but then I decided, you know what? I had it as close to Cookie's color face as possible. So I decided to just give it a few more tries, and then I think I would just ultimately leave it alone. So as you can see, it's now blue. Okay, so you guys know I do everything in real time. What I did is I forgot to reattach it. I forgot to ungroup it, so you have to ungroup it first and then attach it. Now when I attached it, it changed it to the blue color, the eyes and the mouth, but that's easy. All you have to do is you can keep it the same so it's not confusing, and then you just change the colors. So that's what I did. So I put my black back on my mat, and as you can see, Cookie is completely blue, but we're going to go to the eyes. We're going to change it, of course, to white, and there you go. Back to normal. Don't panic. You can always just fix what you did in error. It's really easy. So next, this is it, y'all. 1, 2, 3. It's already done. So you have your black flock vinyl as your bottom layer, your blue glitter iron-on vinyl as his top layer, and then of course the white iron-on vinyl for the eyes. So 1, 2, 3. Now you have to remember to grab the whole thing and move it. So now we're gonna put it on a shirt as usual to see what it looks like. So I'm making a white hoodie for my son. And now I like to change the colors to exactly what I'm doing. So he's a kid's medium. And now I'm going to keep the color white, of course. I'm going to then take off my grid boxes. And now that's a true representation of the top or the front of his sweater. So now I'm just going to center it. Now my measurements for my hoodie were 7 by 6.78. You're going to have to make sure you measure your hoodie so you know exactly the size that you want to put your Cookie Monster's face on. So now, there we go. That looks nice and centered to me. Just going to bring it out a little more. And boom, I like it. Looks good to me. What y'all think? So now, you know me. I always have to do something extra. And it needed a little razzle dazzle. So here we go. Now, after putting Cookie's face on the front, it just looks plain. I wanted to put something maybe on the back, or on the back of the hood, the side, or even on the pocket. I wasn't sure what to do, so I said, you know what? I came up with 2 different ideas, and I decided to go with one of the 2. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. So now, of course, I'm going to hide my hoodie so we don't see it. Let's move Cookie Monster out the way, and then let's go to our uploads. So we're going to go to our images. Now, this is not an image that I bought. These are all free in Design Space. So I thought about putting cookies on the pocket. And I actually saved the cookies design so I knew where to go back. So I like this one that says Smart Cookie. I thought that would be cute to go on the back of the shirt. Or on the pocket. Or even on the back of the hood, like I said. But then I was like, all right, well, maybe just throw some cookies on the pocket. Maybe that'll look cute. So I decided to go with the cookies, or so I thought. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this anyway. Again, this is going to be cut with black siser flock vinyl. Then we're going to pull up our hoodie again. We're just going to unhide it. There you go. Take off. Everything is still set the same. Just wanted to make sure it's still on Kids Classic and it's still on our color. Sometimes Design Space can be a little tricky. So we're going to set back our Cookie Monster's face and our cookies on the pocket. So, what do you guys think? I thought it was, it was cute. I played around with it. I thought maybe let's put it on the back of the hood. But even the back of the hood at the top, it just wasn't doing it for me. It just needed a little extra, but I just couldn't figure it out at the time. Now, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I wound up creating, and it came out really, really nice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please stick around to the end of the video so you can see exactly what the end result for this hoodie was. You guys don't want to miss it, because you can also do the same thing, and it's going to be really, really neat. As always, this is the Crafty Closet. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and come back for more easy DIY friendly projects. You guys got to stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. And don't forget to hit the subscribe.